Kling is not the only AI tool that provides motion control. There are other tools that can do similar work. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of them. So the 3 tools come from One, ByteDance, and Runway. You might already know One Animate, but the official site is slow if you do not have credits. I found a faster way to use the same One model. I will show you that first. Then I will show you the ByteDance method and the Runway method. Let me show you how. Open the VVAI website and sign in. Once logged in, tap Create New File. Now open the File AI website and search for One Motion. Copy the model link. Go back to VVAI. Press Ctrl+V to import the model. Or you can right-click on the canvas, choose Import Model and paste the link there. Now connect your video to the video node. Connect your image to the image node. Tap Run Model. Give it a few minutes and your video will be ready. Way faster than waiting on the official site. Now let me quickly show you why I prefer this method over the official One Animate site. Go to One Animate. Choose Avatar. Then select Character Swap from the drop-down. Upload your image and your video. Once the upload is done, pick the Pro option for better quality. Here is the problem. If you do not have credits, you can still generate, but the wait time is very long. That is it. That is the only issue. So the VVAI method just skips all of that waiting. Simple. Okay, method 1 is complete. Now, let me show you the second option. This one is from ByteDance. Stay inside VVAI. Right-click on the canvas and import the Dream Actor model. Now connect your image node and your video node to it. Tap Run Model. That is it. 2 models now running at the same time inside one workspace. We are done with 2 methods and 1 more is left. The last one is from Runway. Stay inside VVAI, right-click and search for Runway Act 2. Now repeat the connecting nodes process again. And now you have all 3 models running at the same time. One, ByteDance, and Runway. All inside one workspace, all free. Test them and pick the one that works best for your content. And if you do want to use Kling Motion Control specifically, I have a video on that too. Tap the video on your screen now.